Our beautiful Itapoá is completing 33 years of emancipation. Time to congratulate and thank all the people who contributed to the construction of this thriving city. Graced with an enviable nature spread across its 256 square kilometers of territory. We from Sperandio Real Estate are proud to have been here for 28 years, giving our share to effort to generate jobs, attract entrepreneurs, and actively contribute to the movement of the entire real estate market chain. And as a gift to the city that welcomes us so well, we present a new service unit. Located on Avenida Brasil, close to the revolutionary Riviera Santa Maria urbanization project. This new space was designed in the smallest details to be an innovative and cozy environment, carefully thought out to provide a surprising service experience. We invite our clients, friends, and also those who still don't know us to come visit our real estate. The facilities are modern and new, but the joy of receiving your visit will always be unique and special. Sperandio Real Estate, since 1994, fulfilling dreams and building trust.